Philippines!
Hello! Alam kong pagod na kayo sa kakasunod ng asawa ko. Ay, ako pala yung sunod ng sunod. Andito na naman kami sa tindahan guys. Pero guys, itong tindahan na to is mumurahin lang. Hindi naman masyadong mahal. Pero maganda ditong mag-shopping. Dami kong nakikitang pwedeng ipadala sa Pinas. Sundan na lang natin yung asawa ko guys. Pero meron ako ditong nakitang pwede nating bilhin. Pero parang sobrang gaan naman. Parang ganda siya pero sobrang gaan. Parang madali lang siyang masira. Alam ko kung ano yung plano ni Mister pero parang ibang aisle itong pinuntahan niya eh. May iba na namang hinahanap na hindi ko alam. Nakakapagod pa minsan, sunod tayo ng sunod. Hay, buti na lang mabait itong asawa ko. Kung hindi ka mabait dong matagal na kitang hindi sinundan. Pero may nakikita ako ditong pwede nating gamitin sa pinto. Kaso hindi ako sure kung kukunin ko. Iwan ko na lang, nasa ibang aisle na naman kami. Gusto kong babalik dito ulit para bibili ng mga padala sa Pilipinas sa mga pamangkin ko. Ito din guys, gusto kong bilhin sana para giveaway. Pero next time na yan, pag meron na naman tayong padala. Ay, finally, ito na yun. Ito na yung pinunta namin dito. Cover sa grill at cover sa fire pit. So, ito yun siya. Pero kaso parang isa lang ata. Sobrang laki kasi yung isa. Parang hindi siya pwede. Gusto talaga namin bumili ng grill guys. Yun, patingin-tingin na lang kami. Tinitignan namin. May mga iba't ibang grill na kasi ngayon. Nakikita namin. Ito siya. Charcoal lang siya guys. Uling guys. Maganda naman siya. Okay lang yung presyo. Pero parang sobrang maliit siya. Kung bibili na naman ng grill, dapat malaki-laki, di ba? Next time na yan, pag mayaman na tayo. Pero hindi talaga mapigilan, guys. Kailangan talaga namin tumitingin-tingin. Maganda naman talaga siya. Maganda naman. Yung presyo din, may kagandahan din kaysa yung mga gusto ni Tami. Pero ayaw ko muna, guys. Next time na talaga yan. Next time na yan, sir. Enough na, grabe siya. Tingin-tingin na talaga siya. At ito, nakapunta na naman kami sa ibang aisles. Meron ako nakita. Para siyang swimming pool ng aso. Parang paliguan ba? Kaso yung aso ko hindi sila sanay talaga sa mga ganito. Pero napag-isip-isip ko maganda din ito kapag liguan ko sila. Pero parang sobrang laki naman ito. Hanap tayo ng maliit. Para ano to, turtle. Pero meron akong nakita ditong maliit itong blue. Pero sabi pa ni Tami, sobra daw maliit kumpara kay Roxy. So kaya nag-isip-isip ako, kunin ko ba or hindi. Pero sinagawan ako ni Tami, sabi pa niya sobrang maliit daw. So kaya yung kukunin ko daw malaki. So sabi ko wag na. Kasi hindi kasi sa sasakyan. Sabi pa niya, kunin mo na kasi yan sa sasakyan. Saka yung malaki dapat kukunin mo. Sabi ko, ayaw ko. Di talaga yan kasya sa sasakyan. So yun, as usual, siya yung nanalo. Palagi naman lang akong talo. So ngayon, tinitignan ko siya kung kasya ba talaga sa sasakyan. Oh, shocking. Okay. So now it won't fit. Okay, let me do that shit. Ah. No. The other side, Han.
It won't fit. I know my car. I know my car. It won't fit. Ay.
Go away. That's all, ha? Tami? So sabi pa niya magpunta daw siya sa grocery store na naman. Iwan ko na lang. Naluluka na ako. Bibilhin daw siya kasi may sale ang manok. Hindi na ako sumama kasi andito ako sa handicap na parking. Baka matikitan tayo. So yun guys, andito na nga 1 hour later. Marami-rami din yung nabili niya. So tignan natin kung ano ng mga nabili niya. Ipa-haul natin yan. Abangan nyo yan guys. Kasi yun, parang ang dami nabili niya.
Hey guys, just went out shopping. Got chickens for the dogs. The cats don't like chicken. We get it to them, but they don't really like it. They rather have turkey or tuna fish. We got little pork ribs, boneless. We got chicken for the people.
Oh my God.
We got shrimp and scallops for seafood salad. We got onions, because we always use onions. We got garlic. We got string beans. We got frozen mussels to go with the shrimp and scallop for the seafood salad. We got mayonnaise. We got a couple of instant meals.
What's the name of it?
2 and 2. Smell completes. These are really good.
You're really good, but you never use...
1 minute in the
You
microwave.
never use what you have, so
I
forget
did
it.
1 minute in the microwave. 60 seconds.
What else?
Hamburger buns to go with the hamburger meat. So I can make burgers. Some sausage.
Oh my God, Tommy.
unless you want a quick cocktail now. I got some mango for MaryAnn, some pineapple for MaryAnn.
You're right.
I'm not a mango person. Covers for the grill. Since we decided we're no longer going to keep it on the porch where I like them, we're now going to put them out in the rain. So then they have to have a cover. Let's see. That's really it.
So are you gonna cook all this?
I don't know what I'm doing yet. I got to bring up all the shrink wrap for this because it won't fit in these bags.
So you're buying this, you're not cooking it?
I think I'm gonna make burgers. Should I put 2 in the freezer and cook 2 for the dogs? Or just cook them all? We can always put them in the freezer after they're cooked.
How many it's inside?
4.
4? Just cook it all.
Okay, we'll cook them all.
That's all for the dog.
Yeah,
And what else?
just for us. Sorry, little man. Nothing here for you.
So you're gonna go inside? Are you gonna put this?
I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna bring the shrink machine up.
Gusto ko nang sumigaw pero ayaw kong sumigaw. Ma-heart attack ako nito guys. Ang dami. Iwan ko na lang talaga guys. Puntahan nyo na ako dito guys. Tulong na naman.
I'm taking the chopped meat and I'm gonna make some burgers. I make them a special way. I add all kinds of crap to them to make it just right. Parsley. I put some garlic, some onion, some parsley. We'll put some cheese, some jalapeno peppers. Cut up some onion. I don't have any peppers like bell peppers, so I won't put those. This is Colby Jack. Monterey Jack. 2 different, look like it's colorful. MaryAnn likes colorful. She likes these colors.
Yeah, whatever.
You hear her, guys? Whatever. I do care. I do like it. Whatever. Oh, this is not good.
Oh.
Alright, I'm cutting up the cheese into cubes. Put it in there. Ideally, you want to freeze the cheese first so that when the burger's cooking, the cheese is thawing out so it doesn't turn into liquid. But we're not doing that. We're just going to put it in. And a lot of it will get liquidated inside the burger. But that's okay.
Why that? It's a big cube, son. Until the burger's not gonna be.
It'll be fine. You make them too small, they melt away into nothing. Yeah. We're gonna cut some nice spicy jalapenos. So give me a spoon or a fork or something. Okay, what we're doing here is we're gonna add a little bite to that burger. We like it to be a little bitey. So we add some jalapeno peppers, which are pretty spicy, but not crazy. We cut them up because we don't want like whole jalapenos in there, like whole pieces. So it goes through the burger batter. And the chopped meat and the cheese and the onion and everything together into little balls. And we flatten the balls into little burger patties. I actually have a little thing that makes burger patties, but I don't use it very often. There's gonna be a total of 15 burgers came out of this, which is not too bad, considering, you know, it wasn't all that much chopped meat. And usually I make the burgers big, but I was requested I made it a little smaller, so I was making a arugula salad.
Yeah, well, it's the best. Oh, la la la. Go.
Alright, here's the deal. I'm making arugula salad. Usually I only make a little bit because my wife always, I don't like arugula. I don't like it. Don't put it in the salad. I don't like it. And all of a sudden, she saw it on YouTube, decided she would try it, and oh, I really like it.
No, it's not YouTube. You made the arugula
I know,
salad.
you saw it somewhere and decided to try it.
No, you made it really good. I tried it, and that was not a long time ago, honey.
No, it was the last time I made it.
Try your food and tell me it's good.
You're the one who...
Put cheese in it. Put cheese. Because cheese and... Did you finish the tomato?
Mm-hmm.
You probably need lemon. Yeah, lemon. How is it?
I don't think it needs more lemon. We're making some sausage. Puppies are waiting because they want their sausage. They think they have everything. We should have nothing, and they should have everything.
Where's the burger?
Burgers are still in the dish. They cook quicker than sausage, so they have to wait. Besides, once these sausages cook to a point, they're going to kick this fire up.
Yeah. The chef. That's your Louie brother. The chef. Oh no, that's what you tell the Louie. The chef. First grilling of the year.
So this one's just falling apart.
Take it out now. This is our dinner.
Pretty sad when the burger's smaller than the bun. Usually
Yeah.
the burger's way bigger than the bun. Thanks for watching, guys.